We are calling all investors or builders. This private island cabin on Eliza Island has a finished exterior with a metal roof and is looking for someone to finish the interior and make it their own. The septic system is installed on the property. This high-bank waterfront cabin features a bunkhouse, outdoor shower, large deck, and spanning views of Bellingham Bay. No VRBOs/rentals are allowed, making Eliza Island an exclusive place. The amenities include a full-time island caretaker, tideland rights, beach access points, a park area, and a private airstrip. Eliza Island is only 8.1 miles from Bellingham's Squalicum Harbor and has foot ferry access from Bellingham and Anacortes.